Hey there, drone fans. Today is day 6 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and I've got an amazing prize for you today. Matter of fact, this is one of the most popular prizes that we give away every year, and I'll get into that in a minute. But before I do, how many letters does the Christmas alphabet have in it? 25, because there's no L. Again, I know I'm recycling a couple from last year, but that's a great joke. So write these down. You're going to want to tell them at your Christmas party. Anyway, on the 6th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Drone Valley 65-watt charging kit. That's right, you can use this with anything that runs on electrons. We developed this kit a couple of years ago, and it's been an incredibly popular product for us and for the giveaways at Christmas time. You get a 65-watt charger that has a fold-out prong on the end of it. You've got 3 ports, a USB-A and 2 USB-Cs. It'll deliver 65 watts of QC or PD power to charge all your devices. But it doesn't stop there. So there's the charger. You also get a magnetic cable. Look at this. It wraps itself up. How cool is that? This will handle up to 75 watts of charging current, and you get a nice felt bag with the Drone Valley logo on it, so you can put everything away and have it with you whenever you need it to protect the charger. This will charge pretty much any drone on the market today. It'll charge some laptops, it'll charge tablets, it'll charge phones, again, game consoles, anything that runs on electrons. This will start firing those electrons at that device safely to quickly charge it. So you get the kit, and here's the best part. We're giving 2 of these away, so there'll be 2 winners in today's contest. Now again, the contest could not be simpler. Down below, you'll see the comment section. In there is a link. If you click that link, we're only asking for 2 things, your email address and your username on YouTube, so we can get a hold of you if you win. And after 7 days, we'll collect up all the entries that have been sent in, we'll randomly pick a winner out of that group, and we'll send you an email. In this case, it'll be 2 winners, but we'll send 2 emails out saying, hey, good news, you won the Drone Valley 65-watt charging kit. Send us your address, and we'll ship it to you. I'll put this in a box. We'll send it off to you. Maybe we'll put a couple of Drone Valley stickers in there too, or maybe a keychain or 2, but you'll get a bunch of stuff, and we'll ship it to you. And again, no charge. There's no strings attached, no shenanigans, as we like to say in New Jersey. We just want you to be happy. And this is going to make you happy, especially if you're flying a drone. And if you're not flying a drone, I'm sure you've got something that needs to get charged. This will get the job done for you. So that's pretty much it for today. I'm halfway through the 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas, and I'm exhausted, as I said a couple of days ago, because it takes a lot of work to put this stuff together, but I love doing it. It's my favorite time of year, and I sure hope you guys are enjoying it. So thanks a lot for tuning in. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down there, and that way when we put up a new clip, ding, you'll get a little notice on your phone, and you can get on the website and you can actually enter the contest. So that's it for today. Thanks again for watching, and until tomorrow, I've got 6 more of these to do. Happy flying.